first day of spring, and I just wanna sing to everything that's moving, every single little thing. To them birds.
Spread the chocolate out. Work fast, you know how it goes. Add the coconut. Just like that. Kind of incorporate that together and then spread it out, and then I'll show you what we're going to do from there. Alright, so it is easier to combine on the paper than it is to do it in a bowl. It just is. I've done it several ways, and that's just the best way I have found to do it. Alright, so then take them. It's going to start to harden up on you. I want you to work really, really fast and get these guys rolled up. Alright, so you're going to need 6 cups of this right here. Now, it can be this brand right there, or it can be Snap, Crackle, and Pop. Either way, it's going to work out just fine. I got my butter melting in there. I'm going to zest 1 whole lemon right into the butter. Let's put in the juice of about 1/4 of a lemon right in that butter. And then we're going to add our marshmallow. So you're going to need a can of these and a can of this. See how complicated this is? Alright, so if you'll make sure that your biscuits are very cold, you won't need flour on your surface. Just make sure they're really, really cold. Take a little bit of that pie filling. Just a little bit. You don't want it to bust out. Then you're going to bring up the sides. Just like that. You're going to gently pinch it. You're going to gently twist it, just like that. And we're going to hope for the best. So I'm going to spray my pan here and put these in, and that'll bake until the biscuits are done. so I got 1 cup of flour. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon at a time. And believe it or not, I'm using Funfetti creamer. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. If you hear anything screaming in the background, y'all, you know I got that silly bird. So I'm going to give this a stir and just add as I go. Y'all, these turned out amazing. I am so happy with them. Just let them completely cool before you jump into them. I mean, I'm going to show you here. Every one of them held together absolutely beautifully. So that cream is tucked away inside. If you enjoyed this video today, if you're feeling springtime in the air, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next for some desserts. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care, my friends. And may God bless you.
First day of spring, and I just wanna sing to everything that's moving, every single little thing.